Hi guys, welcome back once again. So as you can see a program on your screen, you have to find output or error of this program. So start guessing. Your time start now. Okay guys, time up. So let me take you through this program. So I have declared one variable x with value 197 as int and another one variable y, and it's initialized with the value of x as a character. Okay, and now I am printing this y value as a character. So let us see what is output. So let me execute this program. As you can see here, I am getting output as a. Okay, so what's happening here? Here the 97 got copy in y, right? So this is the character. So still I can say here 97 is there. If I am printing here c, that means the character, so it will print the character of for the this ASCII code. So 197 will be here ASCII code. Okay, if I am printing here d, so it will print the number itself. So let me print right now. So I will be getting here 97. Okay, as you can see, if I am trying to print c, so I will get small a. Why? Because 97 is a ASCII code which is getting converted into the character, and that character is a for the 97. Okay guys, if I am trying to make it change and here 8, so I will be getting here small b, right? So that's it guys for this video. Do like, share and subscribe. See you in next video. Thank you.